hear from Narendra Modi. The social justice and empowerment and this level communities state minister. I'm basically from Republican Party of India. I'm the follower of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. And we are also supporting the Indian Constitution. In Indian Constitution, everybody is a citizen of India. And our Constitution is also supporting everybody. Where there is a hospitality, where there is a hospitality, that should be very good city. If you want to develop our country, then you want to develop every city, every village. And hospitality is also very important in our life. Hotel industry is also a very important industry because this industry is also supporting all the tourists, business people, and those who want to visit any city, town. The hotel industry is also supporting them. And food is also important. If there is a food, good. If the food is good, then our mood.
Hello.
Food is very important in the life. In the hotel, food is not good, then people are not happy.
Hello.
They are complaining, sending the application to minister.
भाषण चालू
This hospital is not working good.
गोरेगा ऑडियंस को
Therefore, food should be good there.
ट्रॉम्बे
And if there is no
बदली झाले का
good food,
अच्छा माहितच नाही मला ठीक आहे करतो फोन 5 मिनिटात
there is some problems are also there. But you don't want any problem. All of we want to support the hotel industry. And I have seen many companies are also present here. From Mumbai, from Delhi, from Rajasthan, from Bangalore. And which equipments want for the hotels. Then they are also providing that all equipments and all companies are also present here. The world of hospitality. World is very big. But in the world, India is more big because our population is near about 140 crore as per 2011 census. But now next year, 2027, the census should be started. And I don't know how much our population will be there, but near about 160 crore our population should be there. And now in the population, India is number 1. China was number 1, but China was number 2 now. And in the population, India is number 1. And in the economy, India is number 4 now, because on the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, we are supporting the Made in India. Our government is also supporting all the industries. Our government wanted, Narendra Modi ji wanted the Make in India. We will be not depend on America. Because India is a very strong country now. And now I went near about 100 countries in all over the world. And every country, Indian people are there. They started their business there. They started their hotels there. In US, in America, many times I am going. And one Mr. Ashok Bhatt, who is from Rajasthan, he is staying in California, and he is having near about 259 hotels in America. 259 hotels. You know that last time one Mr. Mittal in United Kingdom, in England, he was highest rich man in the England, in America, in UK. And he was originally from India, he was from Rajasthan. The many Indian people are also very active out of India. And therefore today, the World of Hospitality organizers, Pradeep Chande, he is staying in Nagpur. He is a very strong man, because all the strong men came here. If the man is not strong, then he is wrong. He must be strong in the life. Without strong, how can you go ahead? If you want to go ahead, you should be strong. And another, Shankar Bhardwaj. Shankar Bhardwaj, you are staying in Mumbai or Delhi? Mumbai. He is staying in Mumbai. Therefore I am very happy because he is staying in Mumbai. Another, our Mihir Sarkar, BYKE Hotel. Mihir Sarkar, your name is only Sarkar, but our Sarkar is there in Delhi and in Mumbai. Our government is there, our Sarkar is there. But many Sarkars, you are from West Bengal? Then Mamta Didi is there now. Now Mamta is Didi, but next time who will be there? And many Sarkars are also there. Another, our Manoj Chauhan. Manoj Chauhan, with us, Manoj Chauhan. Nobody will be Chauhan. Manoj Chauhan is also started his work. He is from Konkan, he is staying in Mumbai, he is my good friend. And he is also a very good friend of every hotel's owners. Therefore, when I will go anybody in hotel, I am telling the name of Manoj Chauhan, I am coming from Manoj Chauhan, then anybody will not take money from me. I mean, many hotels, but when I will go, because we don't want any free thing, but many hotels in Dhaba, when we are going to anywhere in all over India, all hotel, small hotel owners, Dhabas knows me. They are listening my speeches in the parliament and they are saying that, no, I am your fan. Yes, when I will go to America, there are many fans of me. In England, in countries where there are Indians, they are seeing the YouTube, they are seeing the debate of the parliament. And everybody, many people know my name, my face. They know my face because I always am in the race. And all the people know me. Therefore, when I will go in a hotel, they are not taking their money, but I use the money. Because hotel industry is a very important industry. Another Mr. Satish Dange. Satish Dange, he is from my district, my Sangli district. And he is also the organizer of this program. Another prior to Mr. S. P. Jain, who is also present here. He is the owner of Pride Hotel. Many Pride hotels are there in India, in Nagpur, in front of the airport. Pride Hotel is there in the last many years. And many times I stay there. When election is there, at that time only we are staying in the hotel. Otherwise we are okay. We are going in the hotel. And therefore every hotel owner is also thinking that election should be every year. Then S.P. Jain is also present here. He is staying in Pune. Mumbai is originally from Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is also a very big state. And many Rajasthani people are also in Mumbai. We are supporting the Marathi people also because I am Marathi, I like Marathi, my mother tongue is Marathi. And Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Therefore, we are talking in Marathi. And many non-Marathi people, there about 80% people are speaking Marathi very well in Mumbai, in Maharashtra. Many people, those people who are staying in Pune, from UP, near about 5 lakh people from North India, from Bihar, from Uttar Pradesh, from Rajasthan, from Gujarat. They are staying in Pune and many people are in Mumbai also. Many Gujarati people are also staying in Mumbai also because before 1 May 1960, before there was the Mumbai branch and all the Gujarat was in the Mumbai branch. And the Mumbai branch capital was Mumbai. And all Gujarat was in Mumbai branch. But after the Bhasha Rupantara, the Marathi people also came in the Maharashtra, Gujarati people went in the Gujarat. Then Mumbai is also a very important city. Mumbai is also an economical capital. And our India is number 4 because of Mumbai. Because Mumbai is also giving the more revenue to government of India. And tomorrow is Sunday. But Narendra Modi ji don't want any Sunday or Monday. Always he is also working. And when our government came in 2014, that time Narendra Modi had decided the budget should be 1st February. That day is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or any day. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is holiday. For Narendra Modi and our government, there is no holiday. Tomorrow our budget is also there. 2026-27, our budget will be there. Nirmala Sitharaman ji will give the budget tomorrow in the Parliament, in the Lok Sabha. And that budget will be supported for the hotel industry. That budget will be support to very business people. Because without business there is no employment. If we want to give the employment, then there should be the There should be the hotel industry, another industry, small industry, big industry. And our economy is number 4. Now next year our economy will go number 3. Now America is number 1, China is number 2, Germany is number 3. And fourth number Japan was there, but India is now number 4. And after 1 year we will go to number 3. Then after 2-3 years we will go number 2. And one day our economy will be number 1. America will be number 2. But at that time I don't know Trump will be the president of America or not. But Trump is from Republican Party, I am also Republican Party. Trump became the president of America from Republican Party. I became the minister, state minister in the Narendra Modi's ministry from Republican Party. Our party is same. But Trump is also taking the decisions. He is Narendra Modi and Trump's raising a very nice relation. But now something, Trump is also opposing India. And therefore, last time he told that Indian economy is a dead economy. How is it a dead economy? India is not dead economy. India is good economy. Good economy. Best economy. And therefore I am not going to take your more time. But today, our colleague, IPS officer, he is also present here. And IPS officers, police departments are very important in Mumbai. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a cosmopolitan city. Mumbai is also a very nice city. And we want to develop the slum area. And therefore, our Devendra Fadnavis government is also supporting to develop the Mumbai, the metro train, overbridges, best roads, develop the slum area, give the house to everybody. We are also supporting the builders also. And therefore, our colleague is also present here. He is also a very active officer. And now he is ADGP. After some time, he will be DGP. And when he will be the DGP, I will be the cabinet minister in the Narendra Modi government. And therefore, I am not going to take our Seema Shinde. She is from BJP and she elected now in Mumbai Corporation. And after some days the mayor will be announced. She is also present here. Our Prakash Jadhav, our RPS district is also present here. Gitesh Pawar, who is also present here. And Deepa Muli, she is also actually from my party, he is also running the NGO. And many important persons are also present here. I am not going to take your more time.